So friends, in this video I shall be discussing and show you the screenshots of the process of modification in an existing account which is already verified from sole to joint account. Suppose a customer has an individual account and he wants to add his wife to his account, or any relationship of his he wants to add as a joint account. The menu option is again HACM, as we have seen in nomination. Always remember, after verification, the modification can only be done through HACM only. User to make sure that KIF ID of joint account holder is to be added is available before starting this process. So the person details who is to be entered as joint account holder, his KIF creation must be created and verified before entering it here. Invoke the menu option HACM by entering the same in menu shortcut field and click on Go. So this is the field that will appear on your screen. I'll show you. So the maker has first to visit the general details and he has to change the mode of operation, which was 001 means self, because now account is being converted into a joint account. So mode of operation has to change. So he has to choose as per searcher here, magnifying glass here, and double click on any of the codes that is given here, either survivor, former survivor, or jointly. Then he has to visit he doesn't have to change anything here, just mode of operation is required in the general tab details here. Please remember, no other changes are to be made here. So as you can see, general details tab, we change the mode of operation. Now as you will click here, related party details, first page will show the details of the individual original account holder. So you don't have to do in this page. For adding the joint account holders KIF ID or details, you have to click on add here. Please don't forget add here. The same screen will appear on your computer after you add here, and same details are to be entered. Just type KIF ID here and all the details shall be populated here and your account will become joint account. So here you can see, after adding the button here, this left hand side, we type this KIF ID here, all these details are automatically populated here. You don't have to change here anything, right? So just don't have to change. Joint account holder, relationship type, from the drop down you can choose any of these joint account holder, right? So you have to move further after this. So after clicking on submit button, the message will be shown here, account number modified successfully. No action is required further here. So remember this, general tab details, change the mode of operation, visit the related party details. First screen shall be the same of the original account holder. Click on add on the left hand side. Same screen will appear with the blank details. You have to just enter the KIF ID of the second account holder and his FATCA details. Click on submit. Now this has been modified successfully here, which shall be later verified and account will become a joint account. And the menu option for verification is the same, HACM. In the function we had chosen modify earlier. The verifying officer shall be choosing V for verification, visiting the general tab details, ensure that mode of operation has been changed accordingly as per the mandate of the customer, and related party details KIF ID is entered in the system. All the details shall be checked from his account opening form and the addition becomes successful after that, so that single account has become joint. So friends, I hope you have been enjoying my videos and must be some value to all of you. So whenever you get a chance, I think this will help you, because I know some of the banks don't provide any information, anything on actual working. They do have e-learnings, but that is only operational part. This I am sharing you with how we work in the Finacle. I've seen bankers working in the branches having problems because there is no one to take help from, no one there to guide. So this is my small way of reducing your problems or pains while working in the bank's branches, because I have been a banker throughout my career. I think this will help you. Thank you.